Hi everyone, welcome to Skills Exceed. I'm excited to have you here today because we're diving into an essential skill for anyone working with data cleaning. Cleaning your data is critical if you want to create accurate reports, perform effective analysis, or just make your datasets presentable. Sometimes data comes messy, blank cells, duplicates, or inconsistent formatting, but don't worry. In this session, I'll guide you step by step on how to clean your data effectively in Excel. So open Excel, grab a dataset, and let's get started. Step 1. Understanding and checking the dataset. First things first, let's take a good look at our dataset. The dataset I'm using today has rows and columns. It includes information like names, sales amounts, regions, dates, and other fields. But as we glance through it, we notice several issues. Some rows and columns are blank. There are duplicate entries. Text formatting isn't consistent. Dates are in different formats, and there are even some missing values. Does that sound familiar? No worries though. The good news is we can fix all these issues step by step. Let's begin with the basics. Step 2. Adjusting rows and columns for better visibility. Before we clean, we need to see all our data clearly. Notice how some rows look squished and some columns aren't wide enough to show the full text. Let's fix that. Here's what you do. Select the entire dataset. You can use your mouse to drag or simply press Ctrl+A to select everything. Go to the Home tab, find the Format menu, and choose Autofit Row Height and Autofit Column Width. This will automatically adjust the height of all rows and the width of columns, so everything is visible. Alternatively, you can use these shortcuts. Press Alt+H, then O, and then A to autofit row heights. Press Alt+H, then O, and then I to autofit column widths. Now, doesn't that look cleaner already? Let's move to the next step. Step 3. Removing blank rows and columns. Blank rows and columns don't just make your dataset look messy. They can also disrupt your analysis. Let's remove them. Highlight your entire table. Go to the Home tab, click on Find and Select, and choose Go to Special. In the menu that appears, select blanks and click OK. Excel will highlight all the blank cells. Right-click on any highlighted blank cell, choose Delete, and select Entire Row to remove blank rows. Repeat the same process for blank columns. Great, no more unnecessary gaps in your dataset. Step 4. Removing duplicates. Duplicate entries can distort your results. Let's eliminate them. Highlight your dataset again. Navigate to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will appear. Here, you can select the columns to check for duplicates. For example, if you want to check for duplicate names, select only the Name column. Click OK, and Excel will remove duplicates and tell you how many were removed. By keeping only unique entries, our data is already looking much better. Step 5. Fixing text. Formatting. Sometimes, text data can be inconsistent, some in all caps, others in lowercase, or a mix. Let's fix that. Insert a new column next to the one you want to fix. In the first cell of the new column, type the formula equals proper open parenthesis cell reference close parenthesis. This formula will convert the text to proper case, meaning only the first letter will be capitalized. Drag the formula down to apply it to all cells in the column. Finally, copy the cleaned column and paste it back as values to overwrite the original data. Much cleaner now, isn't it? Step 6. Standardizing dates. Dates can cause issues when they're inconsistent. Let's standardize them. Select the Date column. Go to the Home tab, click the number format drop-down and choose Short Date. Now, all your dates follow the same format, ready for analysis. Step 7. Filling missing data. Missing data is another common issue. Let's handle it systematically. Select the column with missing values, like sales amount. Press Ctrl+G, click Special, and select blanks. Type 0 in the first blank cell, then press Ctrl+Enter to fill all blanks with 0. You can also use averages or other methods to fill in missing values if zeros don't make sense for your dataset. Step 8. Splitting and combining columns. Sometimes we need to split one column into two, or combine two columns into one. To split, add a new column, select the column, like name, that you want to split. Go to the Data tab, click Text to Columns, and choose Delimited. Select Space as the delimiter and click Finish. Now you can see that we have done with split of columns in first and last name. To combine, add a new column to see the results. Use the formula concatenate. Give cell reference of first column, then add a space. Then give reference to second cell to merge two columns. Complete the formula and hit enter. That's how you split and combine efficiently. Step 9. Highlighting important data. Let's make our data visually appealing by highlighting key values. Select the sales amount column. Go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than. Enter a value like 10,000 and pick a formatting color. Now you can instantly spot significant numbers. Step 10. Final touches and saving. After cleaning your data, add a finishing touch. You can apply a table style for a professional look. Finally, save your clean dataset. Go to File, Save As, and choose .xlsx or .csv format. Always keep a copy of the original data as a backup. Conclusion, and that's it. You've mastered essential data cleaning techniques in Excel. With practice, you'll find cleaning data quick and easy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe to Skills Exceed, and comment below with your questions or tips. See you in the next video.